Hey guys, Alex here with Next Generation How-To Tips, here to show you how we safely drop a tree or fall a tree. Anyways, this is not a certificate. You will not be a professional after you watch this 1-minute video. This is just how we do it, and this is how you can make anywhere from $25 to $50 an hour falling a tree. So what Jay's doing here is called a face cut. You see how he just takes a piece of the pie out of the tree? That's which way we want the tree to fall. Ironically enough, the tree is actually leaning that way towards the right there. You see how the tree is going towards the right? That's which way it's going to fall. So what we do is we just cut 1 inch above the face cut. And you're going to see here how Jay is looking up at the tree. That's super important to look up away from your saw to see when that tree begins to fall so you can safely get out of the way. That's how we fall a tree. Continue to watch the other videos to see pricing and how to make good money doing this.